Hey Team Ambitious, Robert here. Just wanted to actually go over the new platform with you and show you a few things around the back office. Also going to show you how to do domain mapping with your website for you to have it directed to a link of your own and to how to do that inside the Empower back office. So let's just log right in here to the back office. So I'm going to do that right now. And then as soon as you notice when you log in, just to cover everything, I mean, you got the affiliate resources here on the left side. Click that, it'll open in a new window. It'll show you all the affiliate resources for the Blogbeast, which is this big launch that we're promoting for this new platform. Anything you see here on your your news feeds are myself or other teammates that are posting. You can click on their post and badass the post, meaning you like the post or you enjoy it, and reblog. You can actually reblog the whole post if you like to as well, just by clicking reblog. Now, as far as your blog and your back office and your how it looks, I actually customized mine a little bit. As you can see, I have a little bit of a different grade of gray here, as well as here in the back office. The background. I changed these titles here to red just to stand out a little bit. And these pictures you can obviously change as well. Just simply by clicking on Edit, Upload Image, and then you simply click on it once more here in the bottom right corner, and you're able to edit the image that you want there. Your destination URL, that's pretty much the site you want it to go to when people click on this top banner. Now the same thing goes for these banners. You simply just put your mouse right over it. You'll see Edit, Upload Image, and you do the same thing. You're just going to hit Edit, Upload Image one more time, save it, and it'll change the picture for you to whatever you like. Now, if you notice on the bottom of your blog, you also have an image there. You can change that as well the same way. Also, you can change what it says here on the bottom. I changed what was originally here to look forward to connecting with you. Terms and conditions, refund policy, privacy, earnings disclosure, connect with me. So when people click on Connect with Me, it goes to my Facebook page, and then I just put Team Ambitious here on the bottom. Now, you could change that to whatever you like, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. When you're here in your blog, you're going to see a little plus sign here in the top left corner pretty much. You're going to click on that. It'll open up all the settings for you. So it doesn't go to another page. It's very simple. It's all on the same page. And you see the gray I have here? Well, this is this one, background color, and then the button color is what you see here. And then also over here, you'll see the link color. So any links that I have in the post, it'll be blue and stand out. And the button is actually over here where they want to click on read more. It's red. I just want that to stand out. Your article options, you can change the background color, the title color, the font, the body font. Your sidebar position, you could put on your left side, and anything you change, guys, just click it and hit Save Changes, and it automatically will change it. Now you see the bars on the left side. I like it to be on the right side, so I'm just going to switch that back there. Just click on right and save, and it's right there, right back on the right side over here. So many options. Navigation bar. You could turn off Empower branding. You could turn off blog search bar, which is right here. If you see the search bar, if anybody wants to come to your blog and search for something, network marketing or whatever they want to search for, they could put it right in there and search for it. I kept that option on. You could actually change the tabs here. So you see the tabs here that say Home, Work with Me, Training, Marketing Tips, Our Team, and Bonus. I customize those. And you simply do that by unchecking the ones you don't want here on the top, and then putting the titles and where you want each of those buttons to go to on the right side. And then you just hit Save Changes. So if I, for example, wanted to add more, I'm going to put testing. And then I'm going to just copy this link here, put it right here, and I'm going to hit Save Changes. Now you'll notice if I go to more, you'll see testing right there. Excuse me. Now obviously I don't want that one there, so I'm going to take that one out. I'm just going to delete it, hit Save Changes, and then it's gone. Okay, I just like it to be all even right there on the top. Now, there's so many options here, folks, and it's so simple, this new platform. SEO options. When your blog is found on a site, you can put what the title is going to show there, your description, meta keywords, keywords for people to find your blog, and then Google Analytics. This made it so much easier. Now you can actually put the Google Analytics right in here. All you do is insert your Google Analytics ID, And what that is it actually tracks how many people see your site, how long they've been on your site, what page they're looking at most. You can literally zone into exactly what your viewers are participating in, seeing, watching, engaged with the most. And it's pretty cool to use that tool, and it's free to use. The footer data we went over, page customization. So if you wanted to manage your blogs here, you can have additional blogs, as many as you like. You can literally add a page here and then put a page title, and allow commenting. You want to turn on visibility. You always want to have it on public and hit publish. And you can have as many different blogs as you like. For me, I have the personal one here, and then I'm going to have one. I know Allie's going to have one for yoga, and then another one for maybe health. So it's so cool, and there's no limits to what you can do with that. You can have unlimited blogs. It's freaking amazing for the same price, which is so cool. So anyway, custom domain. What you're going to do here is if you have GoDaddy, this is exactly what you're going to do, and I'm going to keep this as simple as possible. You're going to go, and you know what, before I go into that, let me just show you a little bit more around the back office. So if you go to view my activity feed, right here, this is pretty much your main menu now. So if you just put your mouse right over your name on the top right corner, it'll show you the drop-down menu. So if you go to activity feed, you'll see everything that's going on there. Here on the left side, you'll see the products, which is the Blogbeast, which is the blogging platform, Inner Circle, Costa Rica 15K Formula, and Master's Course. You can hit Show Program Details, and it'll open up and show you how much commissions you made on that certain platform or that program. And then also, that happens to all of them. You can see Show All Products. If you click on Show All Products, it'll show all the products you have. Your event tickets, you can buy them right there. And there's actually an event coming up in January to an event called Freedom 2014. You want to make it there. It's going to be incredible. We're actually joining everyone together into one location again, which is going to be huge, because if there's about 1,500, 2,000 people at each event, and we're having them at 4 different locations right now, imagine a room full of 8, 10, 15,000 people. It's going to be amazing. So, really quick with these 4 buttons, anytime you want to put a post, you want to write a post, you want audio to be placed there, you want an image to be placed there, you want video, you simply select this and you fill out the information. You can choose what part of your team you want to see whatever post you're putting on. So if you're doing a training, which I'm going to put out trainings here that are only for if you have the Inner Circle or only if you have the Costa Rica, and they're incentives on, as you upgrade and you have the different products, you're going to have access to more training and secret knowledge and just different things that we want to train on and get a little bit more intense and advanced with. So you can actually just post a picture and hit, you want everyone to see it. Well, you go to all team members, and that'll select everyone there. Now, what else do we have here? Edit my profile. You can go there. It'll edit your profile. Your My Business. If you click on My Business, it'll show your account, your commissions you can check out, the leaderboard you can check out, email your team if you want it. This is a powerful tool that not a lot of people use, but it's so important. If you want to email your team, folks, I highly encourage you to do that. If I want to send an email out to everyone, I would just hit all, or you can select which product you want to send it out to, for people who are on the team or customers that are on the team that have that particular product. If you want to send it to all, active or unpaid, your front line, your down line, your power line, these are more options that I love that, just give you more customization on who you send a message to. Simply put the subject and you put a message, boom, you send your email. Member API, this is if you want to connect it to any other outside system. You really don't have to worry about that yet. We have our team site, and soon enough we're going to be utilizing API to make things a lot more advanced, which is pretty cool. So stay tuned for that. As of now, you don't have to worry about that. Your campaigns, if you have traffic, if you're participating in a co-op that we've done, or one that is coming up, you can add a campaign and you simply put the name of the campaign, the status, a description, and you can track how much you paid for that, what sales you got out of it, your return on investment. It's so cool if you really play around with this a little bit. I certainly encourage you to do that. Your team and lead capture. So lead capture is obviously all the capture pages. You can view your leads. Here you put in your Aweber list name if you're using Aweber as your autoresponder, your follow-up system, or GetResponse. And you just hit submit to change if you need to make any changes. If not, you want to leave it alone. Now let's go into the domain mapping, just to make sure we got everything here, support and log out. That's obvious. So we're going to go to the domain mapping. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to view my activity feed, or actually edit my blog. And then here, I'm going to click here on the plus sign here. Right, I'm going to open that up. I'm going to go to custom domain. Here I'm going to type in the site that I want it to go to. So if you don't have a domain yet, you want to go to GoDaddy or any other domain purchasing site. And they go from anywhere from $5 to $12 more or less for a domain name. I'm going to log into my back office for GoDaddy. This is just for an example. So if you have GoDaddy, this is showing you step by step how to do that. And any other provider for a domain will be the same steps more or less, the same things to follow. Just their back office is obviously a little bit different. So you want to just give them a ring or do some type of live support with them to identify where to find what I'm going to share with you. And really what you want to do is you want to go to something called DNS Manager. So I'm going to click on that. When I log in, it's right here on the left side on the top, DNS Manager. As soon as that opens up, what you're going to do is you're going to, for the site that you want to use, you're going to go to Edit Zone. Okay, so for the site that I want to use is areyouempowered.com. I'm going to go to Edit Zone for that right there. And as soon as I go to Edit Zone, right here is actually where you're going to be playing around with. Okay, so right under CNAME, and you see alias, right? You're going to go to the bottom one where it says www. All right, you're going to click that pencil there, and we're going to come back to that in just 1 second. We're going to go back to our Empower back office. I'm going to type in areyouempowered.com. It says here available. I'm going to hit next. And then as soon as it does that, you'll notice it creates a CNAME, and it also creates a CNAME value. So all we're going to do, folks, is just copy and paste. So we're going to copy this first one. I selected this, areyouempowered.com. We're going to bring it right over here, hit that pencil, and then just delete this out of here. Right-click and hit paste. Or you can actually just hit Control-V. Boom. And then on this side, we're just going to copy what we saw over here on the right side. Now, just be careful here, folks, because there's a dot after the .com. So there's an extra dot there. You don't want to include that. So when you're selecting it, just make sure you select only the dot up to the .com. You don't select that last tiny dot that's there. Just be careful with that. Once you do that, hit copy, and you're going to go back to that page. You're going to take out that @ sign. You're going to paste, and then you're going to hit. You're going to click out of it, and then you're going to hit Save Zone File. Okay, so all we did was copy and paste, and here copy and paste in this section, and we're going to hit Save Zone File. You're about to modify your existing zone file. Are you sure you want to save your changes? You're going to hit OK. It'll say it may take up to an hour, sometimes up to 48 hours. Usually it's right away, but it's just giving you a warning that it could take a little while. So once you do that, folks, you're just going to actually hit Verify Custom Domain, and you'll see it says Domain Verified. So domain has been verified successfully. And that's pretty much all you got to do. And you'll see here, set up your custom domain, which I instructed you in doing that with, the instructions are here as well. In order to set up your custom domain, you'll need to access your domain's DNS records, which I shared with you. Now, step 2, add the following CNAME to your record for the DNS, to the DNS, which we did. We just copied it and pasted it. And then step 3, go make some lunch, then click the Verify My Custom Domain. So see, sometimes it'll take a little while before you click this for this to, show verified. But like I said, sometimes it's instant, so you can actually click Verify Custom Domain right away, and it should be good to go. If not, like it says, go make some lunch, come back in a few, and then click that. When you're ready for us to check again, click the Verify button below. So that's it, and pretty much, folks, what should happen, and it may take a little while, if I go to areyouempowered.com, it should actually load right to the site, which it just did. It loaded right to my blog. And that's the power of that, folks. It's that simple. Folks, this new system is incredible. Don't feel any other way but excited because of, it's different. They updated it. So it takes a little bit to get used to it, but they made it a lot easier for us to do exactly what we were doing before, even more. So it's something to get excited about, not, feel any other way. If you have any challenges with anything, that's because the site is being updated and it's continuing to fix little tweaks. Like this banner page, if you see it's not loading right away, that's okay. It's because they're fixing a few things where it'll load right away. And if you're watching the replay of this, obviously it's probably at a point where everything's working perfectly. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm pumped about this. It literally all works from the power of your phone, which is so powerful because you can be anywhere doing whatever you like and simply put up a blog post. So, folks, I want to keep it short. I want to keep it to the point. Appreciate you. Love you guys on the team. Definitely make sure you get to an event that's coming up. Make sure you get your ticket for the January Freedom event. Definitely. We're also going to do some special stuff because the whole team is going to be at one event, and it's going to be really fun and powerful. So, folks, I'll see you on the next video. Implement what I shared with you. Let's rock and roll. Don't waste any time. Customize your blog as much as you'd like. Make it to your best ability, how you want it to look. Create custom pictures if you like. We have someone on the team who does the designing for us. Reach out to the site that we actually have, which is theambitiousteam.com/blog header, BLOGHEADER, and go to that site. It's also in the Facebook group. Make sure you're a member of that group, and you'll see the site there, and you can have your custom header for only 25 bucks, which is cool. She does an awesome job. Definitely love it. And actually, here's one that she made for me and Allie, or Allie and I, rather. And it's pretty awesome. Team Ambitious, he at the top. Allie and I are there, helping others make their dreams and goals their new reality. So it's pretty cool, guys. Customize your blog. Rock and roll. Create as many blogs as you like. Have fun with this. Let's, have success, have results. And I'll see you all at the top. Take care. I'll see you on the next video.